Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a very special guest.
Everybody put your hands in the air.
Wow. As you can see, I have a very special guest, my best friend Ross. Yes!
Yeah.
Yay. We're just gonna chill, chat. He has actually purchased some products from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. The Beauty Killer palette, which I have never held or anything, I've never tried. So this is going to be like a little review as well. Ross is just basically starting to dabble in makeup and getting to know the beauty community on YouTube in general.
It's a bit fucked in it, isn't it?
We're going to test out the palette together and see how it does. The only thing is I noticed the gold is a little bit chunky, but other than that, you can just pat it away. Look at that. I'm excited. So if you hear any noise in the background, it's just the dog cleaning stuff. I do apologise, but get over it. I'm also going to change because I don't feel comfortable in this outfit. I don't want to wear a jacket throughout the whole thing. So I'll be 2 seconds and then we'll start the video. Okay?
Ooh, Barracuda.
Oh shit. Excuse my hair guys, I have literally not even brushed it today, fuck. If you catch us drinking during this video, it's just a little bit of gin, a little bit of pink gin and lemonade, okay guys, we're legal. Ross has been watching a lot of beauty videos recently and his favourite, who is your favourite beauty guru? I think I know who it is.
Obviously Jeffree Star, but...
Oh, I thought it was
no, it's James Charles is my favourite. He's hot.
James Charles. He's a James Charles fan, I'm not.
You watch his videos even though you don't like him?
No, I know, I watched...
Subscribed?
No.
Are you not?
No.
Give me your phone.
I was subscribed and then I got like just annoyed by him. Sorry. He's just the sister thing just annoyed me.
Hi sisters, hi sisters, hi sisters.
See, once it was like every single video, I was like, oh my god, I'm gonna crack if I hear that one more time.
I pure like him. I think he's funny.
So Ross has been watching those sort of beauty gurus recently, and that made him like purchase makeup products. So I haven't seen what he's got in his makeup bag, and I'd love to actually see what you've got. I'm gonna sort of like teach him during the video while we're talking and stuff how to use the products, because I don't know if he knows how to use them in the correct order, the correct way, you feel me? What have you got in your makeup bag anyway? The Beauty Killer palette, I'm so excited to try it. That blue, what's it called? Expensive is really catching my eye. The colour looks so beautiful. Damn! I think I'm going to do that, something with that colour, I'm not sure. Ooh, girl! You got she-mail. I've not tried this, I don't think, so I'm excited to try this as well. Is that okay if I try it, by the way?
I bought you one for your birthday years ago.
Years ago? Oh my god, so you did? So I
I've tried it.
I have technically tried it, but I can't remember. You guys should know if you watch my video, I love the Barry M liquid lipstick. You're fucking grind it, it's gone beep!
I hope it's a dick.
That's actually a really nice colour. Oh, it's like blood. Oh my god.
Look at the state of that.
That came broken, the black, what colour is that? The colour Black Rainbow came broken. Right, are we starting this fucking base? We're gonna start with primer guys.
I'm going to use this because I drink a lot and I've got red face.
I think I'm actually going to do a mixture of that in my nose, but I'm taking the MAC Strobe Cream just to add more dewiness to the skin. I'm just going to use the mirror from this palette by Sunkissed Diamond Dust. It's this beautiful highlighting
I'm going to
palette.
use this mirror by Welcome back to my channel! Jeffree Star. I'm going to put an extra wee bit on my nose because my pores are fucking screaming on my nose. Right, primer's done, what's next?
Next is foundation. I've got foundations laid out, so it really depends what kind of look you want to go for.
I don't have any, I'm pretty pale.
Obviously, because I do have dry skin, most of my foundations are dewy and moisturising. I've got the LA Girl HD here. This isn't like moisturising, this is high definition, so you can try that. I don't know if it'll be in your shade, but we can fuck about with that later. I usually just start at the bottom for some reason and work my way up. This is obviously not going to be my colour, but once you contour and stuff and highlight,
That's harmless.
I know you used a lot. You're going to have to like blend that out with a sponge.
Did I put it on my eyebrows?
No.
Did I put it in there?
No, well you can. We're going to worry about that later with concealer. Whoa, that is a lot.
You're supposed to be teaching me.
You just jumped into it and took it before I even got a chance. That's like drag foundation. How much did you use? Damn, girl.
Oh, that looks better.
But I don't know what I've done before sponge. Remember, pat, don't drag. Who do you watch on YouTube?
James Charles mostly, Jeffree Star, and the dead tall lassie. She was the Drew
Naked
Barrymore.
Tutorials?
Oh, I pure like her.
Love Naked Tutorials. They look actually really blended and good.
Cheers.
That's nice, girl.
Trying my best and all that. What's next? Oh, it's concealer. I've never used concealer in my life.
Really? This is his first time breaking his makeup virginity, guys. Because it sure as fuck knows your virginity, the fucking slag. Foundation is done, now it's time for concealer. So I do this.
Oh. Right, let's spice this up a wee bit. Have you ever gone a full day without wearing underwear?
Of course.
Same.
But I don't really actually like going commando,
Except
I don't feel
you're
comfortable doing it for some reason. I feel as though everybody just feels. And I know they don't, but you just feel as though everybody's got eyes on you.
I like it. I'm not going to use as much as you.
You don't have to like go crazy like I do.
Oh wait, to flick my fucking hair back. Am I allowed to swear?
Oh, honey.
I swear all the time, fuck him.
What's your wildest sexual fantasy?
My wildest sexual fantasy. What is my wildest Do you know the thing that I really want to do, but obviously I'm not going to do it, is like get gangbanged?
I'm pretty sure you've probably been gangbanged before.
No, I've only had like 2 guys at the same time, okay.
Is that
it? Yeah. I don't know my wildest sexual fantasy. I think my wildest sexual fantasy is just actually having sex. I think mine is actually maybe getting slapped a bit.
Yeah, I like doing it outside. Like,
Same.
on the top of the car.
Same.
Car.
I say core.
I've never said car in my life. You're the one that says it, and you've got me saying it, and now you're trying to be all posh for YouTube.
I don't know if it's just a thing where I come from, like in Scotland. I feel as though you're bloody for some reason. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's because you keep maybe actually doing that.
Going in and out. It's fine. It doesn't matter as long as you're there. It's your
No,
channel.
it does actually fucking matter. It's supposed to be professional, Ross. This is an RCMA powder, but I had to put it on the mirror on top because the RCMA does not come with a lid or anything. So
Oh my boys. It's pure sat on them.
this also helps when you're doing
Put
eyeshadow.
that on. Quite generous.
Like put.
And am I going to do that?
Because you're going to put eyeshadow on, aren't you?
Mhm.
And if there's any fallout, which I'm guessing there will be because the eyeshadow is so pigmented,
And do you keep that on?
you just
until-
brush it away with a stipple brush and it'll just disappear. I do this to my nose because my nose is quite big. You don't have to do this though because you're
I'm going to do it. I want my nose to be like on point.
snatched. Let's go through a Grindr messages. I do not get much messages on Grindr at all, but weirdly Tinder. Oh, take that back, or take that my lies, take that my lies.
Have you ever
No.
been peed on?
No, I've never been peed on, but I've actually peed on someone inside their boxes. It was weird.
Oh.
But that was his fetish, that wasn't mine. If a guy likes me and I like a guy, I'll do what he wants, to be honest. If he wants to slap me around a little, if he wants me to piss in his boxes, I'll do it. That's how much of a hardcore.
My
Fuck around.
second boyfriend wanted me to take him to a hotel, pay for the hotel, piss on him, and then leave him in the hotel.
Just leave him there?
I just ditch him.
That's a waste of money?
I know, I want my fucking breakfast in
Did
the
you do
morning.
it?
But I did.
So I done that. Next step is bronzer, contour, blusher, etc. Just to add dimension to the skin. So I'm gonna bronze up my skin first, and I think I'm gonna take
Should I do that? Whereabouts are you putting it? Everywhere?
just in the bits where the sun wouldn't actually hit the face. So here, and then right round the head. I always take bronzer down my neck, just so it's all the one colour. Then we just go in with contour.
Right, I blend that out. Can I use that map maker to blend it out?
I would use the big
Or just
brush.
a brush?
Just a big brush and just
Would you
like
not put
blend,
any
blend, blend.
product?
If it doesn't blend out, then use product.
That is pretty harsh, isn't it?
Ooh, my contour will look flawless right now.
Scott, I'm digging this one.
Gorgeous.
Oh wait, the nose as well.
Mm-hmm.
You're the one that's supposed to be showing me.
I was going to tell you, but I told you don't need to because your nose is pure straight already.
Yeah, but I want it
I'm
straight.
so jealous. He's got like such like a nose that looks as though he's got a nose job, and mine looks like a fucking tow truck fitter.
Scott, what's next?
Eyes! It's time to move on to eyes, guys. This should be fucking fun.
I kind of want to go for these two.
Expensive and what's that one called? Star
Star
Power.
Power.
Just grab a concealer like so.
A dot? That you're going mental?
You don't have to use a dot. You can use as much you want, just as long as it's white. And we are gonna take the
That's a
colour
bit bigger than yours.
China White everywhere where you just put that concealer. I just realised it's very powdery, so there's a lot of fallout. I'm
I get
actually,
shit all over me.
I know that's what I'm talking about. I'm actually really displeased with the amount of fallout.
Yeah, but that's his first palette. He says he's not got any fallout in the first two palette.
We're just gonna go in with a transition colour. So the only transition colour in this palette is the colour Courtney. I'm guessing that's for Courtney Love. And the crease back and forth like window wipers, and always hold your brush on the bottom. I cannot believe this is the first time I'm using this palette.
I just bought it because I love Jeffree Star's album.
That's actually what we used to bond over. Do you know when me and Ross first met? That's what we bonded over, Jeffree Star's music. Oh, my grinder just popped off, sorry.
At the time you were into your dance music, I was into my heavy metal, and that was just like totally in
In the
between.
middle, and we became like besties since then. Let's see eye. That's actually really well done. Just need to blend out like here, the corner. Look at me pretending I know what I'm talking about. I am not a beauty guru, guys.
Well, have you ever wore seamless boxers? They're dead comfy.
I bought some from ASOS and they never fit me. I was raging, I had to get them away. If you don't know anything about me, guys, you should probably know I've got a fucking big ass. What's that? You're gonna hard on over the palette? I bet you I'll go to edit this and two of us will look rough as fuck. Do you want to do pink? Wow, that's pigmented. I've just touched that brush. Oh, that one's not as powdery. This is gonna go.
Yes. The crease. I just like seeing the crease.
Just do your full eyelid. Oh, that's hot.
Are you talking about me or you?
Me.
What do you think, guys?
We're gonna take the colour Courtney for the transition colour and use it underneath our eyes. I have no idea what I'm doing right now, guys. I'm just
How
winging it.
far down?
I'm just doing it. Whatever I put for you want to do it.
Oh, Scott, that does something. I thought you'd need to be going like fucking.
No.
I can't sit up straight like you.
At all with that.
I'm still bent.
Oh,
See if that's my fucking drink.
We have been filming for hours now.
Scott, I'm
Even
happy with that. I'm happy with that. Hug the fucking lash line. Because that's what Tati says.
Oh! Need to charge the battery again, bitches. We've been filming. It is what time in the morning actually? Oh, 18 minutes past 1.
2,000 years later.
Roll the camera. Roll the fucking camera.
Okay guys, the battery ran out and we had to go and charge it, so I quickly done my other eye off camera. Oh fuck, and my hair, and yeah, the hairline. And Ross clearly done his hair off camera as well. But I feel as though it totally goes with that whole Jeffree Star vibe right now.
I just want to kind of edit this and make it look better. Just for what I've learned on the YouTube. For James Charles and Jeffree Star and what's her face?
Nicoturials. I can't speak right now. That's that. Alcohol. It's making me mumble.
So I'm just going to take some setting spray, wet my little whistle here, and then I'm going to go into Princess. I'm just going to go right in here. The thing is, you don't need to take 2 hours in the one eye. Look at my forehead, it's big pink! Sounds like your arsehole.
Bitch. Wait, what's that in your nose? You sniffed the part.
I'll say that.
I'm gonna spray my face because my face feels too dry.
That's the last step.
No.
Jeffree Star says that's the
I
last
used
step.
it all. Do I look like fucking Jeffree Star, bitch?
No, but you
This is a Stop McGoldrick channel. Jeffree Star, I hope you know what you've done.
I know, you've made my makeup look good and his look busted.
Hold this bitch up, guys. This video was way too long. We were filming since 10 PM to 3:30 AM. So of course I had to make this a two-parter. Thank you so much for watching part 1. If you want to watch part 2 right now, click on the link in the description bar below. Love ya. Mwah.